Hello, welcome back to another video with Percival the Samba Bus. I gotta fix a couple of things that I've done wrong in the last couple of videos. I've never made a series of YouTube videos before where the same subject is repeated, and in the last one I didn't give an update or an explanation of what had happened in the previous video, so let me explain. In the first video we walked around this bus. I told you about its history. I told you about my great uncle who bought this bus brand new in 1963. And we went into depth about the exterior patina and how we plan to fix it. In the last video, we tackled the front. We wet sanded and cleaned and polished and took all the lights out and fixed the appearance, or improved the appearance anyway. Again, you can see the difference here. If you're interested in watching any of those videos, you can find them here on the channel. But in this video, we're going to tackle a small project, which is these mirrors. I mentioned in the first video that these are incorrect for this bus. These are called elephant ears. And as far as I know, they came on later split window buses. 1966, maybe 1965, I'm not sure. I'm not a guru with this. I'm sure someone will correct me. I had a commenter on that first video telling me that these were in fact the right mirror for this bus, but I don't think that's the case. And I'll tell you why, because I have an original. I have an original mirror here. I know this mirror came off of this bus. So we're gonna replace them, put this old one back on. I also ordered the second missing mirror arm for the passenger side. I found a guy on the samba.com selling this. This is actually incorrect too, because the driver's side and the passenger side are supposed to be slightly different. I think the passenger side is supposed to be longer, stick out further for better view from the driver's seat. I'm not 100% sure, but I know they're not supposed to be symmetrical, and these are symmetrical. So we're gonna put this on anyway because it's the best I've got. I cannot fix these style mirrors to these style arms, and they're the wrong arms anyway. So these are coming off. And I'm gonna try to sell them for cheap, probably on the samba.com, see what happens. I don't know where they came from. I think they're cheap replicas, but I'm not sure. Anyway, also want to show you what we got. These are pretty cool. Here's a cool sticker. I got these from a company called Resto Bus. I think they're in California. They, I think, I know they import them from the UK because it says made in UK right there. But these are brand new patina mirrors. Brand new, but it comes with a patina finish that's going to match our bus pretty nicely. They also come in brand new chrome or shiny stainless steel. What's even better is they have a convex lens. Original 1960s mirrors were perfectly flat. And these are convex to help the driver see a little bit better, which is a big thing in these because you can't see anything behind you in the first place. So those are cool. We've also got brand new clamps. These are also stainless steel. And you're gonna have a good time watching me because it's gonna be tricky to do by myself. This mirror arm is actually the hinge for the front door. So when I remove those to replace them, you're gonna see me wrestle with the door, trying not to let it fall down. I think let's just get right to it and see what happens. Another thing is, I'm filming all of this on my iPhone, which does an okay job, but I know the audio has been all over the place. And especially when that heater starts blowing, it makes a hell of a noise in here and it really messes up the audio. If enough people start watching, I'll invest in a better microphone. Here goes nothing. Of course, I forgot to take the nut off. This is hilarious trying to do by yourself. Come on. Let me put this other mirror down. Good, that was exciting. So that's in there. Another thing, they've got these locking washers that go on here first. You tighten up the knot, you bend down these tabs. I only have one. So as usual, I gotta order more parts from California. Anyway, that arm is on there. I'm gonna change this mirror now. Take this clamp off. I'm gonna keep this old mirror and this original clamp and use brand new ones, brand new clamps with the new mirror. Keep this together as a unit because I'm sure it'll be worth $1 bazillion one day, right? What size is that? Lord, I think it's a 9. Okay, in case anybody is wondering, original Samba Bus mirror clamp with a flathead screw with a 9mm nut on the top. It's pretty unusual. See, it'll be 9mm. Original mirror. Relic. The new stainless steel clamp has a Phillips screw. I'll turn a blind eye to that. I like for everything to be super original on these, but sometimes you can't have it exactly your way. Well, with enough money you can, right? Keep searching the internet. It's got this ball swivel system. Very rudimentary. As is everything in these old buses. This is a pretty fiddly setup. I know I'm gonna drop something. Hopefully not break anything. U-nut is not a 9mm. It is an 8. There we go. What do we think of that? Patina finish to go with a patina bus. I like it. So that is the profile you're supposed to have. And that far as I know, is totally incorrect for a 1962 made bus. Some swivel adjustment. I think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna do this side now, maybe with a time lapse, because I know it's not the most exciting thing in the world to watch. Let's go.
Is it the voices in your head, keeping you in bed? Run me off the road again, you're leaving me for dead. With every word you keep unsaid, I throw my cards on the table. I mean, what did you expect? I said I was able, but it's no easier to be.
Okay, passenger side is on, but I think I can see a problem already. There is no way a driver is going to see that mirror from the driver's seat. Let's go see for ourselves. Yeah, nothing. That was ridiculous. There's always a problem with every plan. Anyway, it looks better. So that's that. Like I said, nothing ever goes right with these, but we'll be patient and we'll try to find the correct arm. We'll leave this on here for now. If anybody wants to know where to get these cool patina mirrors, they came from Resto Bus in the US, or if you're in Europe, autowares.co.uk. Convex mirrors. They're not cheap, but they look the part. We will be back to continue with the paint correction, as I've mentioned a bunch of times. We're going to sand and we're going to try to get through this crappy respray, half a respray. Like I said before, I have wet sanded through to the original. I know that under here is new metal. New metal here and new metal here. So we don't have original paint to work with down here. But what I'm gonna try to do is sand down to at least the primer, to the repaired section, and see what we have. As far as I know, the doors have not had any repairs, so I don't know why this paint was applied here. We're gonna find out though. It's kind of gonna be like the world's largest scratch-off ticket. Trying to get through this and see what's underneath. And hopefully it's winning numbers, but I doubt it. Stay tuned for that video. We'll put it together over the next few weeks. And thank you for tuning in again. See you next time.